A real key point here is having self-awareness of where you currently fit in that inverted U curve, like knowing what does being hyper-aroused feel like, having too much arousal, and what does having a lack of arousal actually feel like in terms of a lack of motivation. Being able to be aware of that consistently and knowing where you're at kind of day to day or week by week allows us then to go, what sort of practice do I need to be doing more of right now? If I'm more so hypo-aroused and that's not low arousal, then lacking motivation, and that's not because of sleep issues or behavioral issues, then an upregulation practice might be able to increase that and help you feel more motivated. But if you're typically feeling really anxious and you're in that anxiety state and you have the awareness of that, then we probably wouldn't want to be practicing more of that upregulation breathing. We'd want to do downregulation practice to bring us more onto the left-hand side of the curve or bring us back into the center of that curve. We want to use the breath practice to shift the level of arousal, but also to increase the awareness of our state in general. And that's probably one of the key things that breathwork does, is actually just improve self-awareness.